Meaning of Fort William.
Fort William.
Fort William.
Fort William.
Fort William. Fort William is a small town located in the western Scottish Highlands. The name comes from a fort that was built in the area during the 17th century. The fort was named after King William III and was used to keep watch over the nearby sea locks. Today, Fort William is a popular tourist destination, known for its scenic beauty and outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and mountain biking. The town is also home to the highest mountain in the British Isles, Ben Nevis.